Okay, now that everything's ready, it's time to clean up the morphs. So find the morphs, and that'll be all the custom morphs that you created. Select them all, right click, go to presentation and change them to modify correctives. And then right click and hide them all. Hide selected properties, and then again right click on all of them and select them all and hide them in the hidden group. Adjustments, I like to change colors and make it a bit more neat. So you go through every outfit, every piece in the outfit, and set custom morphs to be modifier correctives. That way there's no surprises if something changes in the program further down the road, because it's already set up as the correct morph. And same with the shirt. Now, okay, I've got a couple of things left to clean up on the shirt. So yeah, go through all the morphs and just make sure that everything is working properly for the adjustments, and that there's no morphs there that can be deleted. Now I have some conditional grafts left there that I can see, and it's quicker to just go and delete them from the data directory. So everything looks fine. I'm going to save the file, save the shirt. Another one. Now I'm going to save the shirt, and I usually have a couple of folders to organize things in. I have a singles folder where I can save everything that's not a wearable preset. Okay, so this is the outfit, this is the shirt that still has some conditional grafts left over from the donor item. So I'm going to delete it and go to the data directory. And find the shirt. And then I'm just going to search for hide. That'll be the, find the one that's called hide. There we are. And I'll just delete all of those. And one more. There we go. Delete the shirt and reload the new one with a fixed data directory. And now it's all fixed. No more extra morphs. Next, I'm going to add a push modifier node that users can paint on to fix minor poke-throughs. So I'm going to create a new push modifier weight node, give it the proper name, accept, find your weight map tool, go to tool settings, and there you'll see add map. Click on add map, and now you've got it. Now as a default, it'll come in with everything already set to 100%. So I prepare the file, the layer a little bit, but I select all the polygons, and then back to the weight map tool and right click, and then fill weight editing, fill everything to 0. That'll get rid of any weight map that's in there already. And now all a user need to do is click on the layer, go to their weight map tool, and then select the brush. Okay, deselect that. Okay, select the brush, and now anywhere there's poke through, you can just paint on it, and it'll fix a lot of minor poke throughs without having to spend a lot of time and effort. Alt button to remove the weight map. Now that's done, I can save it as a wearable preset. So find the top one, and that's with Genesis selected. And now you can untick everything except the top, and it's got all the buttons and everything in there, as well as the weight map layer. And now to save everything, that'll load everything in one go. You do the same again, File, Save As, Wearable Preset, and load all. And leave everything selected, and we've got the weight map layers and all the rigid follow nodes, everything, as well as D4 surface add-ons. Everything gets saved with a wearable preset.